Welcome to our channel, the All Tech Information. The one commodity that is most valuable on this earth. Time to love, time to live. From the moment the human body is born at beings dying, I don't think you quite caught that. Let NW say it again. From the moment the human body is born, his beings dying. Some happen faster, some happen slower. Some one of us help them go faster, and some of them prevent from happening sooner than later. How many seconds, how many minutes do we waste every day doing things that are no here and there? The goals and aspirations and passions that we have inside. How many times you go through the course of a day and realize, did I do anything I set out to do today? Write down those goals each and every. No matter if there is 2 goals a day. If you can accomplish those, then you are doing more than just making it through the day. You are living and achieving your dreams. Find time to better yourself. Read, explore, research, life, do things you have never thought of doing before. That's what it is all about. When you are born, that as that date they put on the left side of the tombstone. When you die, they put another date on the right side of the tombstone, but that dash in the middle is the sort important thing on that tombstone. That is a line that throughout that entire time frame you were able to impact and touch others' lives. You were able to leave your mark on this earth. You were able to build a legacy that nobody could change. You were able to have it too, where people remember who you are, no matter you are living for that dash. In the middle, you are going to remember your why you are here, not be why. Why did you do something? Your why, your reason for getting up in the morning, your reason for pushing yourself past the brink of exertion and giving up, your reason for moving on to getting things is done in life. That dash in the middle tots the thing that pushes you. How do you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? In terms of your physical appearance, in terms of your health, do you take care of yourself? Are you allowing yourself to get overweight and out of shape? Are you conscious of your health? Are you watching the food that you take into your body? Do you make a deliberate effort to exercise? You know, it was George Burns. He said we can't help getting older, but we don't have to get old, and many of us get old before our time. DQs, we don't take time to take care of ourselves. Your environment is very good indicator on a scale of 1 to 10. Is it what you want it to be? Do you find it desirable? Are you satisfied? The job or career that you're involved in. Someone said that 85% of the American public are unhappy with their jobs. Are you spending 8 hours a day just time doing something that you don't find challenging? That does not make you stretch mentally, that does not stimulate, that you don't find sense of fulfillment in it. If you are doing that day in and day out, it has to affect how you feel about yourself, your level of motivation, your relationships. What kind of IMPCT having on your life? Is it nourishing or is it a toxic relationship? Does it drain you or does it build you up? Ask yourself that. How motivated are you to do something about it? Your contribution, your actions. What are you giving? Many people leave the universe without a trace. No one will know they were here. In fact, under their name we could put under there, not us, woe will anybody. Know that you came this way. What contribution are you giving? What will you leave? What will be different because you came this way? Just stop for a second, write down your why. What are you doing this in for your life? If your why doesn't make cry, that your why again. If your why doesn't make you cry, then that's not your why. It should be something so big that it moves your family tree. Your why should be something so big that it changes the whole outlook and how things are with you and your home, family, religion, purpose. Think about your passion. Think about your opportunity. And that's how you find your purpose. When that why meets up with your passion, your opportunity, your purpose, then you will find out the most important day in your life is the day you remember why your life is. The day you remember you were born. Thanks for watching this video.